Hello viewers, welcome to Pharma Job Vacancy Odisha. This is the second part of today's vacancy information of Pharma Job Vacancy Odisha. So in this video we will discuss maximum companies are having vacancies are in repeating mode. So maximum companies having shortlisted their guys or telephonically by Zoom interview, but still they pending their physical interview. So those of who are selected or not selected, so continue your conversation with the concerned person. When you at least you can face the physical interview, it will improve your chance to get the opportunity. So start the video without wasting our time. So the first company we are having, Alchem Laboratories Limited, is a very huge company, very well known company in the pharmaceutical sector. The division vacant is arise in the segment is not known, and the location is Rourkela, and the job role is state executive, which is equivalent to medical representative. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and the qualification required graduation at any stream, and age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to arrkpradhan@gmail.com. So the next company is Wings Pharmaceuticals Limited. They are also a professionally managed company, and job role is medical representative. Vacant division is OTC. You have to deal with the OTC products. OTC products like some of the brands like Horlicks, Vicks, or Electra. These are come under the OTC products. But I don't have any idea about what is the products of Wings Pharmaceuticals deals. So you have to contact them directly and ask them. So location is Cuttack and Bolangir, and the experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and the qualification is graduation. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 9437557661 or 9874238801. The next company is Jubilant Generics Limited. It is also a professionally managed company having 10 to 12 years of pharmaceutical segment, marketing segment actually. The job role is state manager, which is equivalent to medical representative, and the division vacant is cardio and diabetic, and the location is Rourkela. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and the qualification required BSc or B Pharm, and the age criteria is below 28 years. You have to contact 8328834303 is the concerned person mobile number. The next company is TTK Healthcare Limited. It is also a very good company, and the job role is medical representative. Division is veterinary. You have to promote the brands to the veterinary doctors, and the veterinary segment is called as you have to deal with the animal products. The location is Bhubaneswar, and if you are fresher, you can apply for this post having any minimum working experience in pharmaceutical or marketing segment. You can apply for this post, and the qualification required graduation. Age criteria is below 25 years, and you have to contact 9937560318 is the concerned person mobile number. The next company is Alchem Laboratories Limited, and this is another division of Alchem, and the division name is Alpha Next, and the job role is medical representative, and the location is Balangir. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and the qualification required graduation any stream. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to akshay.mahanti@alchem.com, or you can contact him directly 99370 16474. Is the regional business manager of Odisha region. Next company is DWD Pharmaceuticals. It is also a very good company, very well known brands in the market, pharmaceutical sector. The job role is medical representative, and the division is prime division. Segment you have to deal with the general products like antibiotics and all. Location is Raigada, and experience required, if you have minimum experience or have no experience in pharmaceutical sector, you can apply for this post, and the qualification required graduation. Age criteria is below 27 years. You have to WhatsApp your update CV to 8249630897. Then you contact them directly. So next company is Sanjata Pneumendis Pharmaceuticals Limited, Private Limited. Very good company nowadays, having a 10 to 12 years of pharmaceutical background in the pharmaceutical sector industry. Job role is medical representative. Division segment is not known, and location is Bargad. Experience required is 1 year in same headquarter, and qualification required graduation. Age criteria is below 28 years. You have to drop your update CV to subratpal5@gmail.com, or you can contact him directly to 7439405671. Next company is Khandelwal Laboratories. Very good company, very medium-sized company. Job role is territory manager. Division segment is not known, and the location is Oscar. Experience required 1 year in same headquarter, and the qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years, and you have to drop your update CV to sivaprasadpatri@gmail.com, or you can contact 9338569612 or 9437305660. And next company is medical representative vacancy for a female candidate. Only for the female candidate the vacancy is for. Company name is Biogemet Pharma, and division segment is not known. Location is Cuttack. And if you are fresher, then you can apply for this post, or having any minimum experience in pharmaceutical or in marketing segment, you can apply for this post. And qualification is graduation required. Age criteria is below 28 years. So you have to contact to 9337240080. Is the regional business manager of Orissa region, S. Mahanti. The next company is Indico Remedies Limited. It's also a very good company, very huge company in Pan India's presence. Job role is medical representative, and division segment is not known. Location is Sambalpur, Western Road is Sambalpur, and experience is 1 year in same headquarter. Qualification required graduation. Age criteria is below 28 years, and you have to drop your update CV to skkuntia87@gmail.com, or you can contact 76088247114 is the regional business manager number. So these are the today's update on latest vacancies, or these are vacancies are already update in my previous videos, but somehow still the vacancies are not filled up, or requirement is going on, and interviews and shortlisting of guys still going on. So keep touch with the concerned person. It will improve your chances to grab the opportunity. So thank you. Share this video to your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on latest vacancies. Thank you.